In this video, we're going to look at fractional indices. So if you have x to the power of 1 over n, that's the same as saying the nth root of x. With the special case that you have x to the power of a half, that's the square root of x. So let's look at some examples. So we've got 1,000 to the power of a third. Well, using our new rule, if it's to the power of a third, that means we are looking at the cube root of 1,000, which is 10. Now we've got x to the negative half, so let's deal with that negative first. So as we would know from a previous video, that becomes 1 over x to the half. And using the special case over here, anything to the power of a half is just a square root. So this is 1 over the square root of x. Let's look at the next example, 81y to the power of a quarter. So 81 is going to be there, that's not involved in this power. Y to the quarter, well, using our new rule, that means we've got the fourth root of y. So that's my answer, 81, fourth root of y. Now, looking at the very similar one next to it, note that 81y is in a bracket. So 81 is going to be to the power of a quarter as well. So we're going to have 81 to the quarter times y to the quarter. So we're going to look at the fourth root of 81 times by the fourth root of y. Now, 81, the fourth root of 81 is 3. So it's going to be 3 times the fourth root of y. There's my answer. Last couple here. We've got them in roots, so let's try and get them out of roots. We've got 5 over root z. So we know that root z from our special case is the same as saying z to the half. And to get that off the bottom, then we have to put it into a negative power. So it's the same as saying 5z to the negative half. This last one here, we've got the fifth root of a. Well, using our new rule in reverse, this is just saying this is the same as a to the power of a fifth.